Good morning children. Let us move to the question number 7. Prove that 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus tan 2 degree into 1 plus tan 3 degree into and so on up to 1 plus tan 44 degree is a multiple of 4. So you try to get numerical value from this and check whether that numerical value is a multiple of 4. How we are going to continue the problem? By taking this last term, children. I am going to take the last term. Let me take 1 plus tan 44 degree. Here 1 plus will remain as it is. Tan 44 I am going to adjust as 45 degree minus 1 degree. Okay. Now let me apply the formula tan A minus B. Tan A minus tan B by 1 plus tan A into tan B. Clear children? So 1 plus, what is tan 45? 1 minus tan 1 degree divided by 1 plus 1 tan 45 again 1 into tan 1 and the left hand side is 1 plus tan 44 degree. Okay, now you take LCM here. 1 into 1 plus tan 1 plus tan 1 degree. Okay, now put plus and write this numerator. After taking LCM you can write it like this. Now this denominator will come for both the terms, is it not? And still the left hand side is just 1 plus tan 44 degree. Now you can cross multiply children. At the same time here it is possible to cancel, is it not? So if you cross multiply, this becomes 1 plus tan 1 degree into 1 plus 44 degree is equal to 1 plus 1 2. Okay, product of first and the last term is 2. Similarly, if you take this 1 plus tan 2 theta, I mean tan 2 degree, 1 plus tan 43 degree, definitely you will get the answer as 2. So for that I am going to write it as similarly 1 plus tan 2 degree and into 1 plus tan 43 degree is also 2. Okay, then we can write that left hand side 1 plus tan 1 plus tan 2 1 plus tan 3 and so on up to 1 plus tan 44 degree is equal to, we know that the values are answer what we received initially. Instead of this 1 plus tan 1 into 1 plus tan 44 2 into everything in product only, no. So 1 plus tan 2 into 1 plus tan 43 2. Similarly you will get more 2's. See, if you look at this you will get to 44 terms. Because of pairing 2 terms only you are getting what? 2 functions, 2 factors only you are getting 2. So 44, if you find a pair you will get 22 pairs. Okay, so 2 into 2 into 2 into and so on up to 22 times. How many times you will get? 22 times. 2 into 2 into 2 you will get for 22 times or 22 terms. Okay, if you multiply 2 2's you will get 4. That is multiple of 4. Again if you multiply with 2 8 is also a multiple of 4. Again if you multiply with the next 2 16 is a multiple of 4. So definitely that entire answer what you are going to get, how many times? 22 times. If you multiply 2, definitely the answer what you are going to get is a multiple of 4. Okay, so which implies is a multiple of 4. Purida? Is it clear children? Clear everybody? After finding the pair you are giving the left hand side, I mean the given question. Once again you should write the question and write the respective answers what you received. And here what you are writing is 22 times because you have 44 functions here, I mean factors here. 44 has become 22 because of pairing. Okay, and so this is a multiple of 4. You must give this line children for proof. Hence proved. Clear everybody?